These are pork chop brands, and I've never tried them before. Well, at least my dogs haven't. So I thought I'd go ahead and buy this. My dogs love snacks, of course. And this is natural beef with chicken. I don't know why it's called pork chops, but it is wheat-free, corn-free, soy-free, gluten-free, and it's naturally flavored. Okay, I got it open. It feels hard, so I don't know how my little dog's gonna like it because she has quite a few missing teeth, but you never know. One of the cool things about it is, well, I was attracted to it because of the price. This was incredibly cheap, and I believe there's like 50 in here. You can tell my big dog wants to try it right now. Besides the price, it's also stain-free. So if your pet likes to eat on a white rug or a white sofa, you don't have to worry about it staining your stuff. But here, Biscuit, come here. See, my dog definitely wants it, and I have a little dog as well. Let me show you her. So I don't know if she'll be able to eat this, and she's currently 12 years old. She definitely wants it. So far, you know, thumbs up from my dogs. My cats also want to try it, but obviously it's not for cats. And this is my Russian Blue, who definitely wanted to try it.